Hey, this is how you can start buying shares from the NSE easily starting today. First things first, to invest in shares, you need a CDS account and a broker. If you don't have one yet, please check out my last video where I showed you how you can open this account using the AIB Digitrader. And as I had promised in my last video, I want to show you step by step how I bought my 100 shares of KenGen. This part is for illustration, but it was captured from a real purchase to illustrate the same to you one vile ni rahisi. So if you had already installed AIB Digitrader na uka sign up, this is how your app should be looking like. Open it and it brings you to this page here where you're going to log in using your username and your password. And for those who missed the previous video, you need to start by opening new trading account hapa hivi. So let's continue. Sasa log in hapa, mimi na features zangu. You should also do the same. Pin yako ni siri yako au sio? And once ume log in, inakuleta hapa hivi. So don't worry, in the next video I will take you through the app. But for this one, wacha tuende straight to buying the shares step by step. So unafaa kukuja kwa hii tab ya watch list. This is where you will see all the listed companies as you can see over here, to show you that kila mtu anaweza anza somewhere, hata kama ni budget kadogo. So let me go for this company hapa hivi, KenGen. So once umeiona, select it, and on this page utaona two sides, selling ama asking price yenye ni the price to look at wakati una buy, na kuna hii side ingine ya bidding price yenye you look at when unauza. This simply means that those offering to sell wako on one side na wanapeana their prices, na wengine wenye wana buy as well pia wako on the other side wanapeana their price. Remember, it is a market where people buy and sell, unaelewa? If you choose one of the prices shown, huwa the sell inakuanga instant, but most of the time inabidi saa zingine you have to wait for the purchase to go through ama for the sell ikwe complete. It is advisable to buy in batches za 100 shares, so nika write hapa 100, and for me nilikuwa willing to buy at 2.77. make sure unaangalia pale 2.77 bob, so I write the price right here. The rest you can leave as is and then press buy. The next place ni hapa kwa verify your order. At this point ni poa kunote that every new account yenye unafungua lazima utop up some money which will be used kwa kubuy shares, sio ati inapotea. So ukisha top up already, then account yako iko na pesa and you can go ahead and press confirm buy. AIB is so transparent that utaonyeshwa the total for your share order, their charges kama brokers na statutory charges, and finally inakuonyesha hapa chini net total. But for me, since sina available balance, mi sijafungua saizi, I usually do this so that nijue ni how much I need to top up. So at this point nishajua I need around 285 bob, so I will cancel, nirudi mpaka hapa, then I will click on funds, which is the place yenye nitatumia for depositing. So M-Pesa uanga ni instant, but unaweza choose option ya bank as you can see over here. For me nikaenda na M-Pesa, una input number yako hapa, then amount hapa chini, then deposit. Kidogo kidogo nikapata M-Pesa prompt to input my pin. After that nilingoja for a few minutes ya update the balance, then as soon as ili update I went back to watch list, nika choose KenGen again and went through the process, and this time nika confirm the buy. Ikaniambia your order has been placed successfully. So to see my order I went back then to the orders tab hapa hivi, and then ikakuwa iko under pending orders. Remember nilikwambia at times unaweza ngoja kidogo for the order to go through. Well, after a couple of minutes my order ilikuwa imekuwa fully traded as you can see over here. So ilitoka hapa kwa pending ikakuja kwa all orders showing fully traded. From here you can actually come to the portfolio tab hii hapa hivi to see your total shares. Alafu pia you can monitor your growth over here. Remember, you can use the same method to buy Cooperative, Safaricom, Bamburi, BAT and the rest. Na yote ni easy peasy. Anza kubuild your wealth and make sure you make it count. Make sure you're following the next video, nitakupeleka through the tour ya hii application. Usikose any part of it.